If you're tired of checking your Stripe dashboard every time a payment comes in, this quick guide is going to be a game changer. In just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to automate real-time Stripe payment notifications using Zapier. No coding, no hassle, and completely beginner-friendly. Let's jump right in. Start by heading to the Zapier website. If you're new, you can sign up instantly with your Google account. If you already have an account, just hit the login button in the top right and sign in however you prefer. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll land in the home section where all your Zaps and automations are organized. To build a brand new automation, click the Create button. This opens the workspace where your Zap begins. Under the Zap section, find the Trigger option. This is what tells Zapier when to start the automation. In the Trigger search bar, type Stripe and select it when you see it. Zapier will now show you a list of events you can use. Choose New Payment as the trigger. This tells Zapier to start the automation every time Stripe registers a payment. Now connect your Stripe account. Click Connect Stripe and follow the prompts in the pop-up. Sign in when asked and confirm the connection so Zapier can securely access your data. Once that's done, hit Test to make sure the connection is working properly. With the trigger in place, it's time to decide what happens when a payment is detected. Click on Action. This is where you define the response. In the search bar, type Gmail and select it from the list of available apps. For the action event, choose Send Email. If Zapier asks you to connect Gmail, just sign in and give permission so it can send messages on your behalf. After that, run a test to confirm everything is talking to each other correctly. At this point, you'll set up the actual email, who it goes to, and what it says. You can send the notification to yourself, your team, or multiple recipients. Add a clear subject line like New Stripe Payment Received and include relevant details using the fields Zapier pulls in from Stripe, such as amount or customer name. Once everything looks good, click Publish. That's it. Your Zap is live. From now on, every time a new payment hits your Stripe account, you'll get an automatic email notification without lifting a finger. This one setup can save you loads of time and helps you stay on top of your revenue in real time. If you want to keep automating your workflow, there's a ton more you can do with Zapier and Stripe together. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, stick around for more quick automation guides just like this.